This is the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition. This is for Friday, October 24th. I'm James Spann. Today will be the 9th consecutive day with no rain across the state. The dry spell continues over the weekend with a warming trend. Here's a look at the big picture this morning. The water vapor satellite view. Little wave coming by last night that produced some high clouds late yesterday, kind of fouling up the solar eclipse viewing for some. But the low levels are very dry, and that feature moves on by, so we'll be in great shape for the weekend with sunny days, fair nights. There's a 588 ridge over the southwest that'll be kind of nosing in here, so we warm up. In fact, low 80s are possible by Sunday and Monday. Starting off today, mostly in the upper 40s and low 50s. Anniston 48, Birmingham 53. We'll expect a high today in the low 70s, right at average values for mid to late October. Overall rain for the next 5 days, a little sliver of green, suggesting maybe a trace here. This is valid through Wednesday morning. And there could be a few isolated showers by Wednesday or Thursday, but it sure doesn't look like a big deal. And many spots probably getting no rain at all. Tropical weather, hurricane season runs through the end of November. Old TD number 9 is inland over the Yucatan, and no sign of regeneration. And the rest of the Atlantic Basin, very quiet. All right, model fans, the GFS, the OZ run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time. This is at 500 millibars. Look at the 591 heat ridge over New Mexico and West Texas. That's kind of expanding this way, and that's the reason we'll be warming up in coming days. Beautiful today, lots of sun with low to mid-70s. Tomorrow, another beautiful day. Sunny, we start the day in the upper 40s. High tomorrow afternoon should be in the mid-70s, a picture-perfect fall day. Just beautiful for football, anything else. Sunday, thickness values coming up. You know what that means? We warm up. The NAM is at 81. The GFS is at 82 Sunday afternoon. But the humidity will be very low, be very comfortable. And Monday of next week, another dry day. And a warm day. Temperatures in the low 80s are very possible. Here's Tuesday. We have a surface cold front from near Chicago down to about Tulsa, but we are dry. Call it partly sunny. The high should be around 80. And this is Wednesday of next week, and there's no big trough, kind of a zonal flow, so that surface boundary doesn't have a lot of support, kind of stalls out north of the state. Moisture increases to some degree, and you could mention a slight chance of a shower, but obviously many places will be dry. This is Thursday. The front just seems to dissipate north of the state. And again, you might mention a few isolated showers, but nothing beyond that. And this is a week from today. Now, we've seen, earlier runs showing a big trough with cold air blowing in here on Halloween. Well, look now, we had a ridge axis just west of the state and no cold air. And this would suggest seasonal temperatures, highs in the 70s, lows in the 50s. And that's where we should be at the end of October. Check a little later into November. This is the 7th. That's a pretty intense-looking storm. Of course, this is pure voodoo out here. We all know these things come and go. The surface low is over Iowa, and then on the 8th, height's about where they ought to be. Big surface low in Canada with a trailing front. Not much rain with that. And again, the bottom line is we just don't see a big rain event here for the next 15 days. Temperatures, we warm up with those highs around 80 by Sunday and Monday. Then highs go back in the 70s, lows mostly in the 50s. And again, that is very seasonal for a low-latitude state like Alabama for this time of the year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.